Very good morning traders. Once again welcome to MST School of Trading. Now what I did, I just entered www.tradingview.com. Then I will select the script whichever I want to trade. Then I will add the indicator from the invite only. If I had subscribed to MST iCore, then the indicator will be available into my chart. That's all. And we wholeheartedly thank all the YouTube subscribers who have done already, and all those who are watching now without subscribing to our YouTube channel. We request everyone to take just few seconds to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Telegram channel, also to subscribe our indicator if interested. But don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like it and share it to all your beloved ones. And all those who are into trading, you can help them by sharing any of the video. Thank you all. Before I start, this is what I wanted to convey you. And next thing, yesterday before BANKNIFTY has given the buy entry, we had posted in many groups as well as in our own Telegram group. Okay, screenshot we have posted. And people asked me, sir, I am interested in gold. I am interested in gold. Let me show you crude oil also. Yesterday I had shown you crude oil, right? So I will show you today crude oil as well as gold. Because crude oil is the black gold, right? See here, yesterday what happened. I will keep it in default settings. If you want, I can enable this for resistance and support. This is the for resistance and support. Done. Yesterday what happened? First sell activated, target hit. Then buy activated, target hit. Where is the buy target? Second buy target. Come here. Here you can see second buy targets. So all the three targets hit before hitting the stop loss. See, buy target. Then it has taken support from here and targets hit. So this is happened in the crude oil. Now let us see what has happened in the gold. Where is gold? This is gold. See, previous day sell activated, target hit. Again buy activated, target hit. And yesterday I will give in default settings. For gold the numbers are very big, so I am keeping in very tiny and very tiny as well. Yesterday what happened? See the high 59,878 is the high made. What is our entry? 59,876. So perfectly our sell entry got activated. So once sell activated, we have to remove the buy. So enable first sell targets, second buy, second sell remove, and you can remove all these extra fittings. This DTP you can keep. This is the top midpoint. This TMP, this TMP and all you can close. So now you see what has happened. Perfectly we have got the target, perfect entry and perfect target. So from here to here we got the profit. So what else you are expecting? See the accuracy from here perfectly here, and in between we have got various options for the buy entry with the small targets. Where and all we got the buy entry, sell entry. Here we got one R3C pattern. Here we got one R3C pattern. Here also we got one R3C buy entry pattern. Here also we got one R3C buy entry pattern. Here also we have got R3C sell entry pattern. And here we have got R3C sell entry pattern. So many opportunities you will get when you are practicing this R3C. So hope it is clear on how to use our indicator. Thank you all for watching our video. If you are not subscribed to YouTube channel, please subscribe and support us. Bye bye. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead.